once again to my channel. This is Alfredo Keys. Well, in this video we are going to look at a song done by Lucky Dube that is entitled False Prophets. It was done in the key of Bflat. So so that's the original key, Bflat. Now starting with the intro. The intro goes like this. Do 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 fa 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 mi 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 re. Again. So we are doing this in F. F will be like this. But we are not playing F. We are playing in B flat. So do 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 fa 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 mi 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 re. And then you come to this part. So la do la so do. So la do. So la do. So from so la do la so do you go to so la do do re mi. So la so do. So la do re mi. Alright, so adding the back end. This is how the back end goes. Do do re re do do re re. So adding the back end to the trumpet part of the intro. This is how it goes. So la do la so do. So la do do re mi. So it is do re re on the back end. So now coming to the bass line. This is how the bass line goes. Okay, so this is the bass line. So do 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 fa fa mi. So do 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 fa fa mi. So do 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 fa fa mi. So do 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 do. So it's that simple. So thank you very much for watching, and please do subscribe and then turn on notifications so that anytime a new video is posted you'll be notified. And then you can find me on TikTok too. I am Alfredo Keys on TikTok. And then on WhatsApp you can just pick the number on the screen right now and then chat me. Anything you want me to do for you on WhatsApp, it is as easy as ABC. Just send me whatever problem you are going through, and then I'll help you out with it. Thanks, and please make sure you share this video so that another friend will benefit from this. Thank you very much. Bye bye.